Hey everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? Right here at Clifftop's Storment Hauss Nature Preserve. It's been a little while since I've been out here, but it's a cool little loop. So let's check it out. Welcome, Storment Hauss Nature Preserve. This was acquired in October of 2020 during the pandemic from David Storment. As he passed away, he left this on through a grant. And Clifftop folks have taken this over and made a nice nature preserve out of this. And they definitely encourage people to stay on trail to preserve the natural beauty of this. Definitely do not litter. Got some cool trail guides here. Take only photographs and memories. Leave only footprints. 5 small creek crossings. A nice little area here, I guess, if somebody wanted to take a little break. We got a history here of the Storment family, and one of the neighbors came over and they opened this and said that he would come over sometimes, say hi, and he always used to carry a big old 6-shooter with him, a black powder one, and he had his dogs, so there's a dog cemetery out here, and you kind of get an idea of what the landscape is like out here. Got a lot of good wildlife, copperheads, turkeys, deer, frogs, all that good stuff. Coming up here to the gravestone of one of his beloved dogs, Leo, which is ironically the same name as my cat. 67 to 72. Creek down here. Alright, so we're here at attraction number 1 on the map, creek crossing. Interpretive trail loop. This way. Big burl oak tree. That guy's got a lot of dang gall on him. Whew. It's a big boy. Got a nice burned tree there. Ka-chow! This area looks a lot different with the winter foliage all taken off the trees and opens up the views out here. Pretty. And this tree's got a few little gnome holes in there. It's wild. This whole side here is all kind of rotted out. Timber! Wow. It's like a drive-through, man. It's like that sequoia out in California. The ultimate gnome home. 2-door access. You hear of all these little windows and rock arches. It's one of the first times I've seen one in an actual tree. Wowzers. Well, got the arrow here. So that actually goes back to private property for a neighbor. Trail continues on this way. And I don't think it's too much longer till we hit that doggy cemetery. Waterfall and canyon overlook. It's really pretty out there. Stumbled upon a beautiful forest fairy right here. Let's go that way. Yeah, I'd follow you. Oh man, look at this massive creek crossing right here. Oh my goodness. It's like the mighty Mississippi. However am I going to get across this? Wowzers. Dog cemetery. Entering sacred ground here. So there's a setup there on the trailhead area. The owner had several beloved dogs. So there's Duke and there's Jake. 1982, 1966, and they passed away. Baby deer tracks right there. There's another little animal print right there. A lot of nature out here. And across this mighty Mississippi.
Yeah. Seems like someone moved something.
Nice and muddy. Muddy buddy. Jog across it.
There's a couple of rocks we should move over.
Ta-da! It's a real pretty part of the trail. It's a beautiful forest fairy again. Or are you a siren?
I'm a cat sunning myself in the sun.
Really? You're not a beautiful siren?
Well, I could be.
Oh, or you're the type of siren that goes meow, 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 meow. DEFCON 5. No. Very peaceful and relaxing out here. sunning myself like a key cat. Please do not enter the canyon. It's pretty. Ah, there was a little chipmunk running along that ledge over there. That was wild. Oh, there's another one. Like a little squirrel or chipmunk thing. That's cute. Look at that. It's split. It's resting on another tree over there. Got some more hikers down the way here. I don't know if that's the people I passed earlier or new people. These are pretty. Nice rust colored. Well, blow me down. Whew, that's a biggie.
We're getting to know our roots.
Yeah, getting back to our roots.
That's uprooted.
Yeah.
Whoa, big tree.
I bet that made a sound when it fell. Unless the only one in the woods was a deaf leopard. The big, magnificent creek crossing. Just go right over there. A little muddy. Spice bush. That's what she said. Got the neighbor's psychedelic multicolored tree stand over there. Crazy! Creek overlook. This little trail comes in down there. Well, little kitty, reach the end of the loop to the parking lot. Go back down the hill and across the creek down there. Pretty nice. Well, everybody, if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff if you want. I'll probably put some gear reviews out soon too, and got a few things in the pipeline. But this is a good hike. It's probably 1.3 mile loop or something like that. It's between Redbud and Waterloo, Illinois. Feel free to check it out and have a good one. Later.